Okay, let's unselect the spiral stock removal. Stock to be left set to 0. And let's calculate the toolpath with these parameters. Okay. When preparing the contour machining, we don't have to create a separate strategy for each contour that we want to work with. For example, I want to machine this contour. I can prepare another contour machining operation with the same parameters, click OK and calculate the toolpath again, and we have two operations. But if we plan to machine several contours at the same depth, we can do it in one operation. But sometimes when selecting geometry, we will not select all the contours that we want to machine. One of the ways is to prepare the strategy from the beginning and to select the geometries again. But it can be bothersome. Another is to use the Add Geometries option. Let's assume that we want to machine the outer contour and the large circle. However, we only selected the outer contour and accept the choice. The toolpath have been generated, but we can add this geometry to this operation. And to add another geometry to the machining, go to the Operations tab in the Project Manager, expand the operation to which we want to add geometry, and right-click on Geometries. This is a list of geometries used in this operation. And from this menu, select Add Geometries option. In the command line, the Select Geometries to Add to Operation command appeared, and now we can indicate subsequent geometries to be machined. Let's select this circle and let's accept the choice. After selecting and accepting the selection, the toolpath was recalculated, taking into account the added geometry. Certainly, the knowledge of this option will be useful many times when preparing contour machining. And as you probably noticed, there is also the option Reselect Geometries, and by selecting this option, you can select geometry to be machined again. Okay.